Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's deal video, I'm going to show you how you can save a lot of money and build up a great stockpile for your family with these 10 Dollar General laundry supplies couponing deals for this Saturday, October 28th. Now, before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week, usually around 7:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, because it means a lot to me that I help you to save as much money as you possibly can. And this month actually marks my 3-year anniversary since I first started LoveLiveSave. Really hard to believe for me. And I have a lot of really fun stuff planned for the rest of the month, and I don't want you to miss out. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. Now, if you enjoyed today's deals, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment and tap on that thumbs up like button on today's deal video. It makes a huge difference for my channel. It's a great way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave, and it is greatly appreciated. Now, for tonight's question, I really want you to take a moment and leave me a comment down below. I want to know, what is the most valuable lesson that you've learned from couponing that you can apply to other aspects of your life? For me, it's definitely if I can score a great deal on something that I can then use to help benefit other people, I'm definitely going to do it. I love using my couponing to help donate towards special causes. I've couponed for the domestic violence shelter and the homeless shelters in my neighborhood. So I definitely believe that if you can coupon and you can help people, you definitely should. And make sure you share this couponing deal video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money here and there, because we could all use some extra savings, right? That way I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Plus, sharing my deal videos is an amazing way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave here on my YouTube channel, and it's greatly appreciated. So let's get started with these laundry supplies coupon deals. I'm really excited for this first one because if you want to stock up on a decent amount of laundry detergent and really help build your stockpile for your family, this is definitely one that you should think about doing. So in this first deal, grab 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent. The one with the yellow cap is definitely one of my favorite ones with the OxiClean, but I also really like the purple one. It has the odor blasters and it smells really good. Then grab a medium bottle of Gain laundry detergent, a small bottle of Gain laundry detergent, 105 count box of Gain dryer sheets, and one of the smaller bottles of Gain fabric softener for $4.50. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.25 plus tax for a 49% off savings. Now, when it comes to my own personal stockpile, one of my major goals, I've mentioned this a couple times, several times over the last several weeks and months, is I want to start building up a stockpile of white vinegar. It's an awesome clean product. I've recently started using it as a substitute for fabric softener. I use it on regular cleaners all around my house, and it is an awesome product. Apparently, I just recently learned to use in your dishwasher as a substitute for a rinse aid. So I'm really excited to learn how to use that one, and I really want to build a stockpile of it because whenever I need it, I'm almost always really low or out. So if you want to stock up like me, grab 2 bottles of the gallon-size Clover Valley white vinegar. They are $3.50 each, which is a really great price. I've compared it to other stores. Then grab a 105 count box of Gain dryer sheets, a small bag of Gain flings, small bag of regular Tide Pods, and 1 Airwick oil warmer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.50 plus tax for a 55% savings, which is pretty amazing when you consider $7 of this deal alone was just that white vinegar, and we didn't even have a coupon for it. I would love a coupon for it though, by the way. Just putting that out into the couponing universe. Just saying. Now, if you want to stock up on dryer sheets, we have 2 decently good coupons for them. I really hope we get some higher value coupons over the next couple weeks, but if you're in a pinch and you really need to get some, here's a great deal that you can do. Grab a 240 count box of Bounce dryer sheets. I did not realize that this size box of Bounce applied to the $1.50 off coupon, so it's a really good deal. Then grab a 200 count box of Gain dryer sheets, small bottle of Gain fabric softener, and a single count pack of Febreze small spaces. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.90 plus tax for a 49% off savings. Now, I should also also include here, because this is not a Gain couponing deal video, although there's a lot of Gain products in this one. If you don't want the regular Gain scented Febreze Small Spaces, absolutely substitute it for whatever scent one you want. Just make sure you double check, scan it in the app, and make sure it applies to that $2.30 off Febreze Small Spaces coupon. And if it does, you're good to go. Definitely substitute and get whatever one you want. In this next deal, we're going to do a deal that I call a substitute for a product that I've been waiting for a coupon on, and I've been waiting too long, and now I'm getting impatient. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know I'm a big fan of the Lysol laundry sanitizer. Unfortunately, we haven't had a coupon for it in weeks, and especially with the cold and flu cootie season almost here, and I definitely like to stock up on it. I'm just not waiting for it anymore. And a great substitute is definitely this Odoban gallon size disinfectant. Now, I don't know about all the other ones, but specifically, I believe the blue one, which is the fresh linen one, is a good one for using in your laundry. The other ones might be as well, but I've heard this one is especially good. So if you want to stock up, grab 1 gallon size bottle of the Odoban Fresh Linen Disinfectant, 1 Airwick oil warmer, 1 pack of Skintimate razors, and 1 bottle of Nivea lotion. Because when you do a lot of cleaning, your hands will get dry and you got to keep them moisturized. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.50 plus tax for a 57% off savings. And our next deal, super easy one. You could grab 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, 1 small bag of regular Tide Pods with Downy, and you know I love the with Downy one. It smells really good. Then grab 1 small bottle of Gain Fabric Softener and 1 small bottle of Gain Laundry Detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.95 plus tax for a 53% off savings. On top of the Lysol laundry sanitizer that I mentioned before, that's one of my favorite products, hands down, and I always try to include this in as many deals as I can, at least 1 to 2 times a week, is the True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner. If you've been needing to stock up on OxyClean, and I'm not saying OxyClean isn't a great product, it really is, but I don't know about you, but a lot of times at my store, they tend to be sold out. I'm guessing because it's such a popular product and it tends to be a little bit expensive. So I, on one occasion, had to get some. They were out and I saw this True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner. So I picked it up because I was in a pinch and I needed to get this item cleaned. And when I got home, to my surprise, it worked almost as good as regular OxyClean, and it's like almost half the price. Same size tub too. It's a 3-pound size tub. So if you want to get some and try it out, grab 1 3-pound size tub of True Living Oxy Multi-Purpose Cleaner, 1 small bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh, 1 bottle of the Downy Lush Scent Boosters. I hear this one smells really good. Then grab 1 can of Lysol Air Sanitizer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $13.25 plus tax for a 50% off savings. I call this next coupon deal. I have a lot of laundry to get done, and I just need to stock up on the essentials, and I don't have a whole lot of time to be running in to the store. So if you want to stock up, grab 1 of the $10.95 bottles of Downy Fabric Softener. Again, this is a Downy that I really love. I think it's called April Fresh. Oh, smells amazing. Then grab 1 of the small bottles of Downy Rinse and Refresh, a bottle of extra laundry detergent, and 1 of the single count packs of Febreze car clips. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.45 plus tax for a 57% off savings. Moving on. In our next deal, we're going to stock up on laundry detergent. So grab 1 small bottle of Gain laundry detergent, whatever scent you want. Then grab 1 bottle of extra laundry detergent, a 2-count pack, and a 1-count pack of Febreze plug-in refills. I'm going to be so sad when those coupons expire because they are awesomely high-value coupons. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.75 plus tax for a 60% off savings. Next up, we have another great deal if you want to stock up on a lot of white vinegar. And I forgot to mention in the previous deal for the white vinegar that if you use it as a fabric softener substitute, it does not come out smelling like white vinegar like you would think it would. I really thought it would the first time I used it, but you literally don't smell anything. You just smell your laundry detergent. So in this next deal, grab 2 of those gallon-size Clover Valley white vinegars, 2 16-ounce size bottles of hydrogen peroxide, which is a great stain remover for certain types of stains, 1 bag of Tide Power Pods, and 1 small bottle of Downy Rinse and Refresh. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.10 plus tax for a 45% off savings. Now, maybe you're looking for a super simple deal, whether you are a new couponer or you just don't have a lot of time available and you just want to get in and out of the store. Here's a fabulously low out-of-pocket deal that you can do to stock up on some great products. Grab 1 60-count tub of Gain Flings and then 1 of the 2-count packs of Febreze plug-in refills. After all coupons, our total out-of-pocket comes down to just $12.95 plus tax for a 50% off savings. So that basically means we are paying the after coupon price of just those Gain Flings alone, and we're basically getting the 2-count pack of Febreze plug-in refills completely for free. And with the holidays right around the corner, and we're going to have a lot of people in their houses, we got stock up on these air fresheners so our houses can smell really good. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book full of couponing planner pages that are going to make writing out your couponing deals so much easier, I am going to have the information down below in the video description as well as in the comments section. It is finally available over on Amazon and I am super proud of it. This is a project that I've been wanting to work on since I first designed these couponing planner pages nearly 3 years ago when I first started LoveLiveSave. I always wanted to see it in a book format and it is finally available. So if you're interested in checking out, make sure you look in the video description as well as in the comment section. And if you've already purchased one, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And I would love it if you would take a moment and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of it and how it ended up turning out. I would love your feedback. Now, if you're still looking for even more Dollar General couponing deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I always try to have the information in both places to make it a little bit easier to find for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, in case you didn't know, my Patreon page is where I post my complete Dollar General couponing deals list every week, amongst other awesome couponing goodies, because I often write so many more Dollar General couponing deals than I have time to format into YouTube deal videos as much as I really wish I could. Like on average, this list usually has anywhere from 100 to 140 couponing deals. Now, this deals list is an easy to download PDF file, meaning you can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section of deals you want, because I keep all the categories of couponing deals separated, and these are all major categories of things that you like to coupon and save for your family. We're talking Gain deals, of course, because it's Dollar General and we love our Gain deals, right? But there's also toilet paper deals and paper towels, cleaning supplies, laundry supplies, personal care products, Tide deals, diaper deals, cheap out-of-pocket deals list, and I even started recently including an essential items couponing deals list full of items that you never want to run out of for your family ever again. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. You cannot beat a 1-week free trial. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy day to watch today's deal video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up like button on today's deal video. I really appreciate it. It's a great way to support my work. If you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, show my channel a little bit of love, and join our LoveLiveSave couponing community. We would love to have you here. And a super important step, make sure you also click on that little notification bell right next to the subscribe button and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my future couponing deal videos, and like I said, I post 2 of them every day of the week, or when I do one of my fun Couponing After Dark live chats that I will be returning to doing this week, I cannot wait. I really have missed doing them. You're going to receive a notification. You're going to be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you're not going to miss out. And I will see you in the next video.